So I'll be preparing chocolate chiffon cake, soft kind of sponge, similar with the vanilla chiffon sponge. With a little bit of a difference, we'll put some cocoa powder and just a little bit of water. Same like we did on the vanilla sponge, we will aerate the eggs. Adding the vanilla, a bit of salt, same sort of mayonnaise-like consistency. And I'm going to add the oil. Adding some water. Okay, then sprinkling the cocoa powder. And adding the flour. Mixing by hand. And then with the mixer. Again, just making sure that there are no lumps of flour left unincorporated. Just going to scrape the bowl, put everything in a tray, and that's going to go on in the oven for about 12 minutes. Oven was preheated at 170 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the chocolate sponge is now done. Okay, again, soft surface, but if I touch, the fingers don't leave any marks, so it's all baked. So only took like 12 minutes. Just going to transfer this into the rack and just leave it to cool before decorating.